welcome to your home school. This is your next session of your chapter 3, class 9 mathematics, NCERT or CBSE syllabus. In our last session, we have seen full introduction of what are angles, what are the types of angles, what are lines, how many types of lines are there, how do we compare a linear pair, how can we find the missing angle and all we have seen, right? Now let's start our exercise. Your exercise number 3.1. First one, let's start our exercise. Your first problem in figure, can you see the figure there? Lines AB and CD. See the lines, children? AB and CD are the two lines. Then what will be the angle of the line? Yes, it is a straight angle. It will be 180. This AB line 180 and CD line 180 angle. Just you recollect those all. When I talk anything acute less than 90 straight line, it will be 180 like this. You think. Angle AOC. See children, angle AOC. Where is that angle? This is the angle, right? Angle AOC plus angle BOE. So, look here children. This angle plus this angle is how much? 70 degree. So, this and this is 70. So, what we need to find here? If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Where is your angle AOC? This one. Angle AOC and angle BOE. These two angles sum is how much? 70 degree. Still what given? And angle BOD 40 degree. So let me write here. This angle is 40 degree. So observe here children, immediately I'll say two lines are intersecting each other. So intersecting point, these angles create vertically opposite angles and they are equal. If this is 40, what will be this? 40, right? This is 40 degree. This plus this is 70. 70 minus 40 will be how much? Yes, 30 degree is this. See how easy to find the angles. Once again, 40, vertically opposite angle 40. This plus this 70, 70 minus 40, 30. Okay, still what they asked to find is, find BOE 30 degree and then reflex angle COE. So look here children, reflex angle means where? From here to here, you need to find the angle from COE. Don't consider again this angle. This is acute. Don't consider this, right? Reflex angle from here to here. What is the angle? How can you find? So, look here children. Let me forget this ray. So, what is CD? CD is a line. What is this right angle? Angle is 180. 180 plus 40. How much it will be? 220. 220 plus 30, it will be 250 over answer. But you take one page answer this one. But once if you understand within a minute, you can answer this all. Right? So, let's start our problem. So, same manner children, how we have done now, the same pattern I am going to write here. Solution here. What is given? AB and CD are two lines intersecting at O. So let me write here. Given AB and CD are the two lines which intersect at O. If the two lines intersecting at O, then their vertically opposite angles are equal. Then, what you can say? If they are intersecting at O, then angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Yes or no? But what is given here, children? You need to write the given data. So, actually, you need to write here. So, let me write here. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to how much? 70 degree. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So find angle BOE is equal to question mark and reflex angle COE is equal to question mark. So observe here children, every question what they asked given data and what is given and what you need to find. These two given, these two we need to find. So write what we need to find, that also write in your solution first. Then see here, as the lines are intersecting at O, what can I say? Then the opposite angles are equal. How I am saying here? By vertically opposite angles. But what is BOD children here? BOD is 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC is also equal to 40 degree. Why? Since angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So I have substituted that one. Okay. So now what do we got here? This is 40 given. This is 40 we got. Right. Now let me take this statement here. Given. So write it here. Given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Right? But we know AOC how much? From above, I got angle AOC is equal to how much? 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Right? This 40 degree, send other side children. If it is plus 40, if it goes other side, it will be minus 40 degree. That makes angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. That is angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Right? This is your question. They asked you to find. What is BOE? BOE is equal to 30 degree. So next step, what you need to find here? Reflex angle we need to find. So look here carefully children. In order to find reflex angle COE is equal to, how can you find this angle children? So let's add all these angles. So instead of taking this ray, I skip this ray and I take the straight line. So that is angle COD. Angle COD is a straight angle. How much it could be? It could be 180 degree, right? Plus, what is this angle? Angle BOD. Plus this angle BOE. Now children say here, what is angle COD? Straight angle it will be 180 degree. And what is BOD children? Angle BOD is already given. That is how much here? 40 degree. And then angle BOE. What is BOE we got? 30 degree. So now let's add this one here. That will be 80 plus 40. How much here? 120. 120 plus 30. 150. 150 plus 100. It will be, sorry. Okay. So observe here children. Have to add this. 40 plus 30. It will be 70. 70 plus 180. It will be 70 plus 180. It could be 250 degree. Therefore, reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. This is your answer. Okay. Observe the figure carefully. What they have given, what I need to find. First, make an assumption. Then you start doing any problem. Okay. So, if you want to listen one more time, repeat the video and again listen the problem. Okay, let's see the second problem here children. In figure, see the figure there? Lines XY and MN. Observe here, XY is a line and MN is another line. So again, can you see here the two lines are intersecting at O. So this is one line and this is another line. These lines are intersecting at a point O. If angle POY is equal to 90, they are perpendicular, and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Find C. So what is this? We need to find this angle, and this angle. This is perpendicular. We know that this angle will be 90 degree. So what is given here? So let's write here solution. So let's start our answer with solution. Given x, y and mn intersect at O, you can write. Then I will write here angle POY is equal to 90 degree. And what they have given? A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 ratio. Find C is equal to question mark. These are all given. This you need to find. Okay, let's start. How can we start here? So observe here carefully, children. You should see here carefully. XY is a line, right? So linear pair of angles are there. This is 90. Then forget about OM. So this will be how much? 90 degree. As right angle, it will be 180 degrees, right? So this is 90, then A plus B must be 90. But instead of A plus B 90, they have given the ratio. So what shall we do here? We need to assume. So given A is to B is equal to 2 by 3, right? Let us equate to K. So what happens here, children? A is equal to 2K and B is equal to 3K, right? So equate here, what you are going to get? A equal to 2K and B equal to 3K. So finally what I need to say, if XY is a straight line, right? So what I can say, the angle XOY is equal to 180 degrees. Angle XOY is equal to 180. But angle XOY, I can split it as angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY is equal to 180 degrees. Right? If you want, you can take straight line, or just you can take only these two is equal to 90 also you can take. So now what I can write here, angle XOM. XOM is how much? B plus angle MOP is how much, children? A plus angle POY is equal to 90. That is equal to 180 degree, right? So now B plus A is equal to this 90 and other side 180 degree minus 90. That makes A plus B is equal to 90 degree, right? So now what is A? 2K. Substitute here. 2K plus 3K is equal to 90 degree. 3K plus 2K is how much? 5K. 5K is equal to 90 degree. Then K is equal to 90 by 5. So divide. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. That makes 18 degree. K is equal to how much, children? 18 degree. We don't want K, but we need A and B, right? So this K you substitute in A. What is A? A is equal to 2K. That is equal to 2 into 18 degree. That will be 36 degree. So find B now. B is equal to 3K. That is equal to 3 into 18 degree. So what it will be, children? It will be 54 degree. Right? So now we got A and B. So next what we need to find? We need to find C. So what is this C? How can we find C? Again you consider a straight line MN. Linear pair. Linear pair you can take. A linear pair, what is that linear pair here? Angle MOX plus XON is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So observe here children, linear pair. Linear pair, line MON is equal to 180 you can take, or angle MOX plus XON is equal to 180. So that means B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. We know B. What is B children? 54, right? 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Then C is equal to, send this 54 this side. 180 degree minus 54. So now subtract here, it will be 126 degree is your answer. So C is equal to 126 degree. So once again have a look here. XY and MN are the two lines intersecting at O and this angle is 90 given. So what is A and B you need to find, but the ratio A is to B is 2:3 given. You need to find value of C. First I need to calculate what is A, what is B, then we can get C. How we have done? We have taken here again a linear pair or a straight angle. All the three angles sum will be 180. So substitute 90 here, A and B substitute, but A is to B ratio given. What it is? 2:3. Suppose look here, this is A is to B. This is a chalk piece, right? Break into 2:3 I am saying. Means, is it 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter? No, some value it was there. It is constant. So for that value, I have taken it as a K. This is divided in 2K and 3K ratio. It is divided. So now, same manner, equate to K, then A equal to 2K, B equal to 3K, right? So now, substitute here and then add K value you are going to get. After getting K, substitute in A and B. You are going to get A and B value. After getting this, take this straight line, right? This straight line. Angle P plus angle C is equal to 180. You know B value, substitute. Send this value other side. Then C is equal to 126 degree. So children, listen carefully and do now itself. In the third problem, children, in figure, angle PQR. Identify where it is. PQR. This is the angle, right? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So this angle equal to this angle given. So immediately see the triangle children. What you remember? If two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. But what we are going to prove, we don't know. So don't write that. So now then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Where is PQS? PQS. Oh, this one is equal to angle PRT. You need to prove. So what are these? These are exterior angles of the triangles. These are interior angles, right? Now, this angle equal to this angle given, and you need to prove this angle equal to this angle. Right? Let's start here. How to do? Given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Okay? To prove, what we need to prove? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. By linear pair axiom, ray QP stands on a line ST. So observe here children, by linear pair axiom, what is that? This is one ray which is standing on a line ST. Observe only Q point children here. if this is a line, observe here, if this is a line, QP is a ray which is standing on the line ST. So now by linear pair axiom, what I can say, the sum of these two angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. That only we are going to write ST. That is angle SQP plus angle PQT is equal to how much? By linear pair axiom, this will be 180 degrees. Mark it as first equation. Now, QP ray over children. Now look here at R point. Observe here. RB. RP. So now again by linear pair axiom, ray RP stands on line ST. Now again observe here how we need to observe. This is a line and this is RP is a ray. Then what happens? The sum of these angles is 180 degrees. So write as it is children. SP and this is T. So now SRT and this is P. Right? So now by linear pair axiom, I can say that angle SRP plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degrees. Mark it second equation. Mark it second equation. So now what you remember here, axiom 1, what is that? If things are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So now, therefore, from equation 1 and 2, there is no need of any proof, directly we can equate SQP plus angle PQT is equal to angle SRP plus angle PRT. See here children, one thing I want to see you, when you are writing angle, don't be panic. Your angle Q you observe. Either you may write SQP or PQS also you can write. There is no confusion. But Q should be at the center of your angles, right? So here R is the main angle, R is the main angle, Q. So main angle should be at the middle, right? So that side, this side, let us maybe interchange, no problem. Now, so when after equating, what you can say children? I just recall the given statement. What is PQR? PRQ. So now look here children. SQP, PQT you have seen, right? So no need of dragging up to T. You can end up here. See, observe here. Up to R you can end your angle. That means PQR you end. Right? Where you do your mistake, this is the place you do mistake. So when you are observing a line, linear pair, immediately you end up with angle SQP plus angle PQT. So it is not wrong, but you have to write up to PQR triangle only. So now here also, so SRP and this is Q you need to extend here children. This is QRP. Instead of S, I will change it QRP. Then where it is? This will be QRP or PRQ. Now it's easy to equate. What you are going to equate here children? PQR is equal to PRQ, right? PQR is equal to PRQ. So both are equal. These two can be cancelled. How you can cancel children? If you want any one step you change. This you change to QRP, QRP can be cancelled. Or this angle QRP you change it to PQR, then PQR can be cancelled. So now finally what you are getting here? Angle SQP is equal to angle PRT. This is the thing we need to prove. SQP or PQS is same. That is SQP is equal to angle PRT. Hence, it is proved. With that statement, I will end this problem. So once again, look here children, what we had done. Ray QP stands on line ST. Right? You can take ST or SR. If you take ST, what happened you have seen? Given statement is up to R. So I cannot take with T, I cannot continue. So for that purpose, I have changed this T to R. Okay? So SQP plus PQR is equal to 180. Then same manner this line, QRP plus PRT is equal to 180 degrees. On comparing these two, what you are going to get? Angle SQP plus PQR is equal to angle QRP plus PRT by, here I will write, by given data. I have cancelled. How I have cancelled here? By given data, PQR is equal to QRP. So both are cancelled. So what you are left with? Angle SQP is equal to angle PRT. Right? Therefore, hence it is proved. With this, we are going to end our session, children. We are going to meet in our next session with the next 3 problems of this exercise. Thank you all.